AI is changing everything faster than most people realize. Businesses are already automating everything from customer service to marketing. And if you're not careful, AI driven companies will take your customers. But here's the good news, there's one thing AI can't replace, and it's your biggest advantage. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Julian, and I've helped local service based businesses just like yours generate an additional 3.6 million in the last 12 months with my Authority Creator system. I specialize in helping businesses build authority, get more leads, and grow their revenue through powerful content strategies on platforms like Instagram and YouTube. So if you're a business owner looking to become the most known in your market, I just dropped a free training walking you step by step on how I can help. You can find that training in the description below. Now, let's talk about how you can beat AI with something that it will never have: human connection. AI is everywhere, and it's automating things faster than most local businesses can keep up with. We've got AI doing customer service, running marketing campaigns, and even creating content. But here's the thing, while AI can automate processes, it can't build the trust that comes from a real human connection. Look at the AI-driven companies that are scaling fast. Chatbots handling customer service, AI tools creating social media posts, algorithms running ads. But guess what? People still crave real relationships and human interaction, especially when it comes to local businesses. You have something AI will never have: personality, trust, and relationships. And that's your secret weapon. People do businesses with those they know, like, and trust. You need to leverage your human connection to build authority and keep customers coming back to you. The best way to beat AI-driven companies is by doubling down on what AI can't do, building authentic connections with your audience through content. And the best platforms for doing this are Instagram and YouTube. Instagram is perfect for showing the personal side of your business, whether it's behind the scenes content, day-to-day interactions, or sharing stories that connect with your audience. This is where you can build relationships in ways that AI never will. YouTube, on the other hand, lets you go deeper. Long-form videos allow you to show your expertise, solve your audience's problems, and show your authority in a way that builds long-term trust. The longer someone spends watching your content, the more they trust you. This is your chance to go beyond surface level engagement and show that you're the expert in your field. At the end of the day, AI can only go so far. What people are really looking for is someone they can trust, someone they can connect with on a human level, and that's something that AI will never replicate. Every piece of content you create is an opportunity to show your audience that you're not just a faceless business, you're a real person who cares about solving their problems. The businesses that are winning right now aren't necessarily the ones with the most advanced AI. They're the ones that feel the most authentic. And you can be that business by putting your expertise and personality out there through strategic content. So, if you want to get ahead of the AI-driven competition, start building your authority and relationships today. I've created a free training that walks you through how you can build trust, generate leads, and grow your business using content on Instagram and YouTube. You can watch that video right here.